Hello students, welcome in computer class. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies and giving proper time to your studies. Okay, today I am going to explain next chapter, that is chapter number 5, mouse. Something you know about mouse already, because in first term I told you in a third chapter, parts of computer, that mouse is an input device, something I told you. But today I will tell you each and everything regarding mouse. Okay? First, that I am going to tell you that what is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device that is used to move, point or select anything that is on your computer screen, and it is also used to draw and paint. You can see here on the board, mouse diagram is here. Okay, it's a mouse. Here also I can show you. See, this one is also computer mouse that you can use while working on computer. Clear? Okay. Next, features of mouse. Features means different parts of a mouse. You can see here mouse diagram. Okay. There are total 4 different parts of mouse. First one is wire. You can see here wire. Second, left button. A mouse has 2 buttons, left and right button. Okay, and one scroll wheel. Okay, I am going to explain again. There are 4 features. First one is wire. Second one, left button. Third one, right button. And fourth one is scroll wheel. Clear to all of you? Okay, next is most important thing. Now you know what is a mouse and features of mouse. But when you are working on computer, the most important thing is how to hold a mouse. If you don't know how to hold a mouse, you can't work properly on mouse. Okay? It's your mouse. Okay? And this wire side, this scroll wheel always should be opposite. Don't hold a mouse like this. Always this scroll wheel should be opposite side. Clear? Now I told you there are 2 buttons, left button and right button. When you will hold the mouse, you will use these 2 buttons when you will work on computer. Okay? And this mouse always should be under your palm like this. Don't hold the mouse like this. The small student always making this mistake in first and second class, hold the mouse like this, and it's totally wrong. Always use your palm. It should be under your palm, and your index finger and your middle finger. These 2 fingers you will use. I told you 2 buttons are there, and index finger on left button and middle finger on the right button, and mouse should be under your palm. Clear? Clear to all of you? And scroll wheel. When you will use the scroll wheel, you will use your index finger to like this. Okay? And always place the mouse on mouse pad. I am going to explain again. You will use your hand to hold. Mouse should be under your palm. Index finger on left button, middle finger on right button, and you will use your index finger to scroll the scroll wheel. Clear to all of you? I hope so. Okay, next is using a mouse. Now I am telling you, you can use what is using. Using means when you are pressing the buttons of mouse, that is using. Clicking. Clicking is when you are there are 2 buttons on mouse, and you can use those buttons by clicking, by using your finger. When you will click, you are using the mouse. Okay? Now what is clicking? This question come in mind. What is clicking? Clicking means pressing the mouse buttons. It's mouse. When I will press the left button, I will use my index finger. When I will press the right button, I will use my middle finger. When I am pressing, it means I'm clicking and I'm using the mouse. Clear? Okay, next, different functions of mouse. A mouse has two buttons and these two buttons are performing different functions. First one is the single click. Single click. The most important thing is hold a mouse. If you don't know how to hold a mouse, you can't perform any function and you can't work properly on the computer. Holding a mouse is the most important. Okay, so hold it properly under your palm. One index finger on left, middle finger on right. Okay, single click means when you are pressing the button that is under your index finger, that is left button. When you are pressing the left button, that is single click, one time. When you are pressing the left button once, one time, that is the single click. Clear? Next is double click. When you are pressing the left button two times, that is the double click. The button under your index finger, when you are pressing that button two times quickly, that is the double click. Clear? Now right click. Right click means you are holding a mouse like this by using two fingers. When you are pressing the button under your middle finger, that is right click. Only one time. Only one time you are pressing the button that is under your middle finger, that is the right click. Okay, and last one is drag and drop. Drag and drop, and mostly students because first time you are learning, and drag and drop is the most you confused with this concept. What is drag and drop? Single click, double click, right click, you easily understand, but this drag drop make you confused sometime. It means pressing and holding the left mouse button while moving the mouse. Press the left button, hold it and move the mouse, that is dragging. Okay, and why we are doing this? What is the use of dragging? Dragging is used to select anything that is on your computer screen. You can select anything. Second one is you can move the things from one place to another. Clear? Okay, last one is scroll wheel. In the starting of chapter I told you there is one scroll wheel also on the mouse button. Then what is the use of this scroll wheel? Why it's there? It is used to scroll the computer screen up and down. When you will use this scroll wheel, whatever is on your computer screen, maybe text or images or whatever it will move up and down. That is the use of scroll wheel, and you always use this scroll wheel with your index finger. Clear to all of you? I hope so. Okay. Next, I am giving you classwork. Okay, your classwork is 2 times you will draw this diagram, mouse diagram with proper, you will label also left button, right button, wire, scroll wheel. Okay, you will draw mouse diagram 2 times, and your homework is on your book, page number is 44. Tick the right answer are given there with 3 option. Okay, you read these, tick these sentences, see my video also, each and everything will be clear to you, no doubt. See, first one, a mouse is a dash device. 3 options are given there, holding, pointing or typing. After that, see my video also, what I told to you, which one device mouse is. Okay. Second is, a dash is used for drawing and painting on computer. What we are using for drawing and painting? Mouse, keyboard or CPU? Think and put a tick on correct option. Third one, dash wheel is located between left and right mouse button. Which one wheel is located? See the diagram properly. Which one wheel is located between left and right mouse button? Okay, after that, true false. You cannot drag pictures using a mouse. Second, pressing the left mouse button is called single click. Third, pressing and releasing the right mouse button is called double click. Fourth one, we keep index finger on the left mouse button. All things already I explained in the video. If you will see it properly, you will get the answer. C part is matching. Matching, see or read the chapter properly also, then these matching will be clear to you. Which one is single click, which one is right click, which one is left click, double click, each and everything will be clear to you. Okay. D, unscramble word. Clue also given. You will read the clue and fill in the missing letters. See, the first one clue is a mouse. Now what is a mouse? In the starting of this video I explain you what is a mouse. You simply, some letters are given here, you simply fill the missing letters. Second, a finger kept on the right mouse button. I told you, two finger you are using. Okay, index finger and middle finger. Which one finger you are using on which button, it's also clear to you. So according to that, fill the missing letter. Third one is pressing, holding and moving a mouse. What is pressing, hold it and move a mouse? What is the process of that is? You will write the name. Okay? I hope each and everything will be clear to you, my dear students, and you will do it properly. Don't forget your classwork, diagram 2 times, after that exercise. And if you will, anything it's not clear to you, you can see my video again, you can read the chapter also, then each and everything will be clear to you. There will be no doubt. Okay? Thank you.